How do you say blue in Spanish? The word blue in Spanish is azul. Azul. For example, el cielo está azul hoy. El cielo está azul hoy. The sky is blue today. ¿Te gusta el color azul? ¿Te gusta el color azul? Do you like the color blue? Unlike many colors, the word azul doesn't change in the feminine, but it does change if you're talking about a plural noun. So azul in the plural is azules. For example, tengo ojos azules. Tengo ojos azules. I have blue eyes. Quiero pintar la habitación de azul. Quiero pintar la habitación de azul. I want to paint the room blue. El mar es muy azul aquí. El mar es muy azul aquí. The sea is very blue here. So if you want to say blue in Spanish, you say azul. And if you want to learn to speak Spanish, you can get my course 3 Minute Spanish by going to www.3minlanguages.com and use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Gracias.